Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to scan for hardware changes to detect missing USB peripherals in Windows 11. So it's actually very simply done. Guys, if you installed some kind of peripherals, some kind of devices into your USB ports in your motherboard, in your computer, and they just failed to show up, or maybe they don't work, you need to manually just refresh the entirety of your system so that your operating system, the Windows, just finds them again. So to do that, we need to navigate to the device manager by clicking with the right mouse click and a mouse button on our start menu and going to device manager. And then guys, the action is pretty simple. And then it's pretty simple here guys, you just need to right click on any device. For example, I'll just go ahead and I'll click on my USB webcam, right click, and then this is your magical button. As you can see, scan for hardware changes. And then when you press this button, as you can see, it will rescan. Your devices will disappear, like blink for a second, and then this means that they have been rescanned, and now all of your stuff should be here up and running. And of course, the missing devices that were previously not here should appear here in this list. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.